Hello everyone, I'm Latifunisa, a third year EC student from Dhanekula Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today I'm going to present my internship project EV ADAS system, a real-time electric vehicle dashboard with collision warning system. This project is based on Bluepill microcontroller and is simulated using PixSim The dashboard is developed using Python, and the complete system demonstrates how embedded systems are used in modern vehicles. Before developing any project, we should understand the problem. Modern electric vehicles require continuous monitoring of important parameters like speed, battery percentage, and temperature, and collision risk. At the same time, drivers may fail to notice nearby obstacles or vehicles in blind spots, which can lead to accidents. So, our objective is to design one embedded system that not only displays vehicle information but also warn the driver whether the dangerous situation may occur or not. The project needs software and hardware requirements. The software requirements are STM Cube ID, PiximLab, Hall Library, Python 3.14 version, which I have used, and for the communication QtCom and VSPE. As per the hardware, the Blue Pill, which is STM32F013C8T6 microcontroller, and three ultrasonic sensors are used, and four potentiometers, LEDs, and a virtual terminal are used in this project. The solution to solve this problem, we here develop a EV ADAS system. Here, STM32 Bluepill microcontroller is the heart of the system. It continuously reads sensor values, processes them every few milliseconds, checks whether any warning conditions exist, and sends the processed information through UART. The Python dashboard receives this data and displays them in real time. Dashboard of an actual electric vehicle. As we can see the architecture flowchart, the first stage is sensing stage where three ultrasonic sensors detect obstacles around the vehicles. And the second stage is the STM32 controller where all calculations and decision making happen. Third one is communication using UART. The final stage is Python dashboard displays the processed information to the user. This entire process repeats continuously, allowing real-time monitoring. Hardware used in this project includes STM32F103C8T6 Bluepill, three HCSR04 ultrasonic sensors, LEDs, a passive buzzer. A Bluepill operates at 72 MHz and acts as the brain of the entire system. The ultrasonic sensors detect nearby obstacles, LEDs indicate system status, and the buzzer audible warning. The behavior of the EV is simulated by using this. Using accelerator and brake inputs, the system calculates the vehicle speed. It also estimates the battery state of charge, torque, and power consumption, and remaining driving range. These values are updated continuously and transmitted to the dashboard, so the driver always has the latest vehicle information. This is the most important part of the project. Here, the three ultrasonic sensors continuously monitor the surroundings. If an obstacle appears in front of vehicle, the system calculates the distance. When the distance becomes less than the warning threshold, it displays a collision warning. If the object becomes dangerously close, the system enters the critical state and immediately stops the motor. Similarly, the left and right sensors detect vehicles in the blind spot. During parking, all three assist the driver by providing alerts. So this is the system logic flowchart where the software is designed as the state machine. Initially, the vehicle remains in the parked state. When the accelerator is pressed, it moves to ready state and then to the driving state. During braking, regenerative braking is activated. If any critical condition such as overheating, low battery or collision occurs, the system immediately enters the fault state. This makes the behavior predictable and safe. After processing all the sensors values, STM32 sends two different packets to UART. One packet contains EV parameters like speed and battery level. The second packet contains ADAS information like obstacle distance and warning level. The Python dashboard receives almost instantly. The project follows four levels of safety. P0 means normal operation, P3 means advisory warning, P2 indicates a warning where the driver should take action, and finally P1 is the critical level. At this stage, the form enters the false state to prevent accidents. The fault manager continuously checks whether the system is operating safely. If the motor temperature exceeds 90 degrees Celsius, the battery becomes critically low, or a collision is detected. The controller immediately disables the motor. It is also monitors the communication failures and watchdog timeouts to ensure reliable operations. On the computer side, a Python dashboard displays all the information. It includes the speedometer, battery percentage, estimated range, power consumption, motor temperature, and a bird eye view showing nearby obstacles. This provides the driver with a complete overall view of the vehicle. In conclusion, this project demonstrates how embedded systems are applied in modern EVs. Through this internship, I learned STM32 programming, embedded C programming, ADC, UART communication concepts, sensor interfacing, state machine design, real time control, and developing a dashboard using Python. Although this is prototype, it follows many of the same principles used in the actual automotive ADAS system. And as per the demo, let's open the STM32 Cube ID. And this is my project where we have different files, header files and source files. Here every different file has a different initialization of different parameters and use cases. So this is main.c where we initialize all different header and source files and initialize them. So let us build this project. As you can see, the build is finished, zero errors and zero warnings. After this, we go to the Pixim lab. So as you can see, These are the three ultrasonic sensors for left, right, and front, and four potentiometers for acceleration, brake, SOC, and temperature, and the virtual terminal having the values of speed, SOC, torque, acceleration, brake, and as you can see here, yellow light is blinking, which means it's having a advisory warning. After this, we open virtual serial ports emulator, where we paired the common and COM4, which is used to transfer the information. After that, so this is the dashboard. As you can see now, it's having no alarm. See here, it's blinking now. See, it's advisory. Then this is the speedometer. Here you can see the speed history, torque, acceleration, brake, motor temperature, alarm, fault, and signal. Here you can see the distance is under 50 centimeters. So it's showing the advisory alarm. So this is the project of EV dashboard and ADAS warning system. So thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.